There we go. Okay. Keep it away from us. But use some aloe. All right, cool. We're just gonna put all that in there and wash my utensils real quick. But we're gonna let this boil up into a nice concoction that I can drink and feel better. Yeah. Alrighty. And of course, I'm putting in the Manuka honey last. It's cold pressed honey. It's one of those honeys that you have to use a fork to get loose. Oh yeah. I want it on a rapid boil. I need it really hot. And then I'll just sip on it until it's finished. The whole thing, you gotta finish the whole thing. And hopefully my voice will return tomorrow and we'll be able to continue with business as usual. I had like a fever, so this will help break the fever as well. Yep, don't forget the lemon. Put that in there with the juice. And again, those stickers on the lemon peels or any other peels are supposed to be able to ingest. So just in case you miss one, it's okay. Yeah, gotta get the lemon juice and the peel. The peel, when you steep it, also has very good medicinal properties. So turn that on high, and we're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until that rapid boil, and then let's strain this out and see what we got. There we go. Okay. Now we're all steamed up. Let's get our cup ready. And make sure all the surfaces are clean, inside the cup, outside the cup. The lid especially. And I'll do this about every serve, every time I use it now. Until I start feeling better. Just to make sure that no leftover germs are circulating and can reinfect. Get me sick all over again. Oh man, I can't wait till this is over. Alright. So. Let's got a cup made. Clean up real quick. We're gonna take our 2 cloves of garlic with our medicine that we made, that we did not buy from a counter, well, over-the-counter pharmacy that doesn't have any chemicals, and basically performs the same duties. I wish I had some elderberry. Elderberry is really good for upper respiratory infections. But we'll find that for next time. Alright, so we got our clove, our tea, we got our water. Water is very important. And speaking of water, here is the filtration system. Now this is Aqua Clean. It softens, conditions, filters, cleans the water, alkalines it, and then is able to come out of every faucet perfect. So I don't have hard water coming out. Showers are good.